Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to troubleshoot email sending issues in WordPress. You will find that sometimes your email does not get sent, or there are some types of error and you don't know what is going on. So I will use a plugin to see the all the emails sent from my WordPress site and how to troubleshoot the error. So we are gonna go from our WordPress dashboard, plugins, and edit new, and we'll search WP mail logging here. We'll use this plugin WP mail logging by MailPoet. We'll install this, and after installation, we'll activate this. This plugin will help you to see all the email logs sent from your WordPress site. Okay, now we are activating it, and from tools WP mail log, we can view all the mail logs. Right now I don't have anything in the log because I have not sent any email yet. So to test this, I'm gonna go users, and for example I will try adding new users, something test 009, for example, email test at something test, password test, and we'll check send user notifications, send so we can check this email from our mail logs. Okay, the user is created and we should see the email in our mail log. You can see we already have some emails in our mail log. New user creation email, welcome, and there are a few emails related to the user created, and you can see the error. This is the error because this is not a live site. This is a local host, so obviously it cannot send an email. So you can see the error here. So if it's your live site, if you see any error here, so you know that there's something going on, and that's the reason your email is not sending. You can see which email is not sending. View. This is the email. There are some mode which you can view those emails. I choose HTML. So from here you can see if you have any error in sending email, and you can move forward to fixing that. If you put your mouse over this error icon, you will see invalid address from WordPress's localhost. There is error description. Okay, that's it for today.